Understanding the phrase, rolling in dirt. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rolling in dirt. This might sound a bit strange, but it's a fascinating expression used in the English language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Rolling in dirt is an idiomatic expression, meaning it's a phrase whose meaning isn't directly deducible from the words themselves. Generally, to roll in dirt implies getting oneself completely dirty or soiled, usually in a literal sense. Imagine an animal, like a dog, playfully rolling around in the mud. However, this phrase can also take on a metaphorical meaning. In a figurative sense, it can describe someone involving themselves in something considered morally dubious, unsavory, or dirty. For example, getting involved in a scandal or corrupt activity could be described as rolling in dirt. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage. After the rain, the children were seen rolling in dirt in the backyard, much to their mother's dismay. 2. Figurative usage. The politician was accused of rolling in dirt with corrupt officials to win the election. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. When using rolling in dirt in conversations, it's important to consider the context. If you're talking about actual physical dirt, like in a garden or playground, it's used literally. In discussions involving ethics, corruption, or scandals, it's likely being used metaphorically. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this can add color and depth to your language skills, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. Rolling in dirt is a versatile phrase in English that can be used both literally and figuratively. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and you feel confident using it in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with new phrases and expressions in English. See you in our next video.